In this video, we show how to replace the backplane in a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. Before removing the backplane, make sure to remove any hard drives that are installed in the system. To remove the backplane, first disconnect the power and data cables. Then, if you have the control panel installed, move that out, the cable out of the way, and then squeeze the blue retention clips, lift, remove the backplane. To install the backplane, lower it and align it with the post on the inside of the system, and then clip it into place. Then reconnect all your power and data cables. And if you had to move the control panel cable out of the way, move it back to its correct routing. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.